Excuse me, where is the washroom?
It's on the second floor.
How can I go there?
Take the escalator.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is there a lift here?
Yes, near the entrance.
Which floor for food court?
Third floor.
Got it, thanks.
Enjoy your visit. I am new here.
Welcome. What is your goal?
I want to lose weight.
We'll start with basic exercises.
Okay.
Come tomorrow morning.
I feel tired after workout.
That's normal.
Should I continue?
Yes, but take rest too.
Any diet tips?
Eat healthy and avoid junk.
Can you take a print?
Yes. Black or color?
Color print.
How many copies?
2 copies.
It will cost 20 rupees.
Can you scan this document?
Sure.
Send it to my email.
Tell me your email ID.
Here it is.
Done. Is water coming today?
Yes, in the evening.
At what time?
Around शाम के 6 बजे.
Thanks for telling.
No problem.
Water pressure is very low.
Yes, same issue here.
What should we do?
Let's complain together.
Good idea.
I'll call the office.
Do you have change for 500?
No, I don't.
Please check once.
Sorry, not available.
Okay, I'll try somewhere else.
Sure.
Can you give smaller notes?
How much do you need?
For 200 rupees.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Which floor?
5th floor.
I'll press it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
This lift is slow today.
Yes, too many people.
I'm getting late.
Same here.
Finally, it stopped. I want to stitch this suit.
Want to stitch this suit? When do you need it?
Within 3 days.
It will cost 500 rupees.
Okay.
Come for fitting tomorrow.
The fitting is loose.
I will fix it.
Please make it tight.
Sure.
When can I collect it?
By evening.
There is no electricity.
Yes, power cut.
For how long?
Maybe 1 hour.
That's bad.
Yes, it happens often.
Voltage is very low.
Same problem here.
Should we complain?
Yes, let's call.
I'll do it now.
Good.
I want a chocolate cake.
What size?
Small one.
Fresh cake is available.
Great.
Anything else?
Can you write a name on cake?
Yes. What name?
Happy birthday, Ria.
Done.
When will it be ready?
In 20 minutes.
Excuse me, can you take a photo?
Sure.
Press this button.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice picture.
Can you take one more?
Yes.
From this angle.
Done. Glad you liked it.
Looks great. Has the bus arrived?
Not yet.
How long will it take?
Maybe 10 minutes.
Okay.
Let's wait.
Is this bus going to city center?
Yes.
Thank you.
No problem.
I'll get in.
Me too.
I want to recharge my phone.
Which plan?
299 plan.
Okay.
Is it done?
Yes.
Any better plan available?
Yes. 399 has more data.
Okay, do that.
Done.
Thanks.
Welcome.
My bike is not starting.
Let me check.
What is the problem?
Battery is weak.
How much will it cost?
Around 800.
How long will it take?
1 hour.
Please do it fast.
I'll try.
Thank you.
Okay.
Can you move a little?
Sure.
I need some space.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please.
Is this seat free?
Yes.
Thanks.
No issue.
I need a notebook.
Which size?
Medium size.
Here it is.
How much?
50 rupees.
Do you have pens?
Yes.
Give me 2 blue pens.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Welcome.